Brow Grooming Basics, a step-by-step guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic in the world of beauty and self-care: brow grooming. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about this aspect of personal grooming, you're in the right place. Brow grooming refers to the various methods used to shape and maintain the appearance of the eyebrows. This can include trimming, plucking, waxing, and styling. It's an essential part of many people's beauty routines. As well-groomed brows can enhance facial features and express personal style. In this section, we'll look at the common tools used for brow grooming. These include tweezers, brow scissors, brow brushes, and wax strips. Each tool has a specific purpose. Tweezers are used to pluck individual hairs. Brow scissors trim longer hairs. Brow brushes help in shaping the brows. Wax strips remove multiple hairs at once for a cleaner look. 1. Cleanse your face. Start with a clean base. 2. Brush your brows. Use a brow brush to see the natural shape. 3. Trim if necessary. Trim any long hairs that fall out of your desired shape. 4. Pluck away stray hairs. Use tweezers to remove unwanted hairs. 5. Apply wax. Optional, for a more defined shape, apply wax strips following the natural brow line. 6. Soothe the skin. After grooming, apply a soothing gel or lotion. After grooming, it's important to take care of your brows to maintain their shape and health. This can include using brow serums, avoiding excessive touching, and regular trimming. Remember, brow grooming is not a one-time activity. It requires ongoing attention. And that's a wrap on brow grooming. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding this aspect of personal care. Remember, brow grooming is a way to express your style and personality. Happy grooming, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.